Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Apple Music not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So first solution you have, ensure you and or well network connection. You need to make sure that you have stable network connection for Apple Music to work correctly on your device. If you are use mobile data, so you are switching the Wi-Fi connection, and vice versa. If you have using Wi-Fi, Apple Music not working on your iPhone, ensure you have turned on cellular data use for the music application. Following these steps, so you have turned on disconnect the Wi-Fi network, or you have connect the mobile data. If you have used the mobile data is not working on, so you have mobile data turned off, then you have connect the Wi-Fi on your network connection. Then second solution, you have reinstall music app. So then you have delete from here, then you have install from App Store. Wait a few seconds, then 5 to 10 seconds wait, then you have reinstall the app Apple Music. Try to uninstall and reinstall the Apple Music application on your device, as application may be become corrupt or outdated, causing it not be functioning correctly. Then third solution, you have uh, clear browser data. If you are using Apple Music on a browser, the cache can sometimes make the application slow down due to abundance of stored data. Let's for example here the steps. So open the setting, scroll up, then you have click on Safari, scroll up, then clear history and website data from here, then your problem will be fixed. And then other solution is restart your device. Another thing you can try is restart your device. If as a full restart can often solve many issues. If Apple Music is still not working on your Mac, you can just click the power button to turn off MacBook and then turn off after a few minutes. Restart the iPhone or Android may solve the issue on your phone. Press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then you 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restart. If your problem will be fixed. Then last solution, you have update to the iOS latest version. If you have tried to above method but Apple Music is still not working, you should check if there are any updates or operating system on your device. Open the setting, click on general, click on software update. iOS latest version is available on your iPhone. Must be download and install on your iPhone if their iOS latest update is available on your iPhone. Then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.